And natural lubricity.
Ricky! Oh, dude, go.
You about to come grab that thing or what? Dude's come and do some wheel bearings, but he decided to go take it for a spin rate.
It's not hot. It's not cold.
What up, y'all? We preparing the 63 Bel Air Burnout rig. Brother-in-law is preparing the Ford Tow Pig because we headed to LS Fest, Texas 2026. Let me go ahead. Right now, I'm changing this inner tire rod that I bend every time I go do a burnout. I come swap my tires back to the burnout tires, and I'm just gonna top it with gas, check all the fluids, wipe the motor off, and guess what? We loaded on the trailer. Ooh, that tread felt like ass, huh?
Yeah.
Getting loaded up. What up, y'all? Made it all the way to Baton Rouge. Can't stop for a little pee-pee break, couple of waters. Brother-in-law eating some gross smelling
Chicken stick bullshit.
chicken sticks. Did the golf cart tap to tell you? Yeah, we on our way to Texas, y'all. We're gonna ride as far as we can ride. Got a little bit later starting than we like, but we're on the road. Yo, we just stopped to get gas and pee in the middle of nowhere. I feel kind of crazy right here.
I don't think this joint's open, bro.
Nah, it ain't.
Take it from the other way.
Luckily we ain't lose the seat, y'all. The seat was jammed right here, so we're gonna go ahead and throw a strap over it. Bruh. Look at the price of gas. First stop, $113 for 27 gallons. Yes, sir. 87 at that, not even premium. Shit, y'all, gas was so high, I didn't even do a double shake off. I just threw the thing back in the machine. All right, y'all, made it to Longview, Texas. We in our hotel. It's about, what is it, 2 right now? 2, 1, we was at the gas station, the freaking sheriff supervisor wanted to see the burnout car. We cranked it up for him, talked with him for a little while. He was cool. Brother-in-law got himself a Lunchable, eating that at 2 a.m.
Roadside dinner, dude.
Now we about to hit the hay. All right, y'all, Thursday morning. We ate breakfast, a couple of eggs, a couple of sausage. Getting in the truck, we getting ready to head to finish off our route to Gas Monkey in Dallas.
No, we were here right after that.
That's funny, yeah.
He's getting that natural lubricity.
Ricky! Oh, dude, go.
Oh, even if it fell on the ground, he would have ate it. Them on.
The onions?
Joked around with this man, told him to clean my little mirror, and he hops up here, no questions asked, and he gonna.
We missed the spot.
Wow, hey, we only said mirror at this point.
Mirror.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
Back in the house, guys, make a garage, baby.
Yes,
That's
sir.
how we do it. Sure is a lot of bugs. You doing some YouTubing?
Yeah, just some casual little acquaintance. Brother-in-law just put them noodles in there casually. 50-50 ratio. Nothing too much.
Hey, what's up, little bro? Shit,
Yeah. Girl, she bad, so
What are you talking about? It's done.
It good already, or it don't need 5 minutes?
It's good. I don't think it needs 5 minutes. The noodles are good.
Dude, starving.
These are good. This is breakfast, lunch, might be, and it's probably gonna be dinner tonight. Are we my motorhome?
No, we got a hotel, but shit.
I didn't know I was gonna have enough room.
We didn't know him long enough.
I mean, I gotta go.
Talking about it.
Wait.
I gotta get Josh's first taste test. It is damn good, bruh.
Damn, dude.
It is hot though. You vibing on a little pasta lie or what?
Oh my god, dude. No, that's good.
Yes.
Holy shit.
Yes, indeed. Everybody chowing down. I'm even risking my 1,700 calorie a day deficit for this little unit right here. Chase about to roll out, y'all. That sucker's clean. Later, see you in a little while, yeah?
Love y'all.
Love you too. Just got our little registration. It was pretty easy. I'm signed up for burnouts and drag racing, so I might pass that car down the drag strip real slow, like. Let's go get this thing in the speedway. All right, y'all. Got everything unloaded. Went put the car by the QA1 boot. Me and brother-in-law going to check into that hotel because it's a hot mammy out here. Hot and windy. What up, y'all? Just went wipe the windows off of the car. Looking nice. Brother-in-law went get him a douche flute, a new vape. We just pulled in a Sonic. He coming on a couple pounds of guard slop. And then we off to the hotel. We're gonna shit shower shave.
You got the mozzarella sticks?
Yeah.
what the fuck just happened, dude?
Why
he
he
just got lost.
Dude had lost
He
his.
got lost in mid-conversation. He's like,
Dude had to scratch his brain to figure out y'all.
sorry, I got lost. What the fuck
Dude
was
started
that?
punching himself.
I was like, what?
Just drove the car from the QA1 booth back here by the burnout pitch. Brother-in-law went go get the badge that you gotta put on the windshield. I forgot to slap it on. What up, y'all? LS Fest Texas 2026. What you saw me doing a little while ago was pulling tire pressure out. I've been running these things at like 70 pounds, but I heard maybe dropping the pressure might work better. We're here to try it out. Because as y'all know, I tell y'all this car feels like I'm skating on ice, but I don't want it to do that no more. We're gonna try to hook a little bit. Whatever I tell the car to do, that's what I want it to do. And we just waiting for the show to start, and we're gonna rip a little burnout for y'all. that gas can thing?
All I did was open your fuel gauge, bro. Your fuel tank.
I really did hit the wall 3 times and no damage. And the battery ain't shook loose. Yes, sir. Happy about that.
Oh, look, you do. You got a little scuff right there.
Oh.
Little scuff.
Good luck, brother.
Oh, look, you got no little scuff.
Got a little oil from my over.
Oh.
Got to wipe that off.
That's all right.
Wide
we
open,
got,
wide open throttle for 2 minutes straight. It'll do that. I might have tweaked the car a little bit, yo. Ain't no, that ain't no car. Bro, that been like that. That's not even hooked in there. This thing got fucking exhaust underneath it, cut off 3 inch.
Right.
I just left that for just so people like, damn, that little tip's making all that noise.
Right, right.
Day 2, Saturday, just arrived at the track. About to go ride around, hang out with people. Nothing too crazy. See y'all in a little while. Boy, look at this motherfucker, y'all. That's a thing of beauty, yeah. My man said he wanted to build something different, and he sure did. Thank you, Jesus. God damn it, set. All that to drain your catch can?
Heat the oil up to get all the methanol out.
I hear that, bruh. Thing loud though, I tell you that. And you got some nice big holes. You handle it well, man. She handicapped or something? Good job. Hey, I hope my suit didn't stink too much for you.
This is yours?
Yeah. Why, it smell like ass?
No comment. No, it's actually pretty good. It smells like
I
fresh
figured that now it'll smell like roses at least. cute little job you're doing, Beth.
Yeah, dude.
Well, y'all, after we got the tires changed and the car loaded up, I forgot to even film a single thing, but it's 5:43 Sunday morning. We just pulled up the Buc-ee's. We're gonna top brother-in-law's truck off, go into Buc-ee's, get a few items, and we headed back to the house, y'all. Great weekend. Couldn't ask for better. From going cook at Gas Monkey to placing third in the little Burnout comp and hanging out with cool people. It was a nice time. But anyway, I'm gonna cut y'all here, y'all. Thanks for watching this video. Later.